Hello and welcome to another travel video tips and tricks. If you are looking for a villa or Airbnb to stay in the Miramar and Destin area, stay tuned because this is the video for you. This house right here hosts a whopping 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It sleeps 24 people. So when you first walk into the villa, we call it nicknamed the mansion. You're gonna walk into a foyer area which has an elevator. It goes up to 4 floors. Yes, you have it right. This house has 4 floors. So on the first floor, you have a room and it sleeps 4 people. So this will be good if you have smaller kids or teenagers who want to come down here. They'll be on the first floor. Most of the rooms are on floor number 3 and 4. So if you put the kids down here, you won't hear all the noise and stuff that they're making. It also has video games. You have a golf cart that you can use and go riding. Just make sure you keep it charged up. So we would normally charge up the golf cart at nighttime so we can go out for our fun and activities during the day. Actually, these are my nieces. They're going out for the day just to go do some sightseeing and exploring. This room also has a closet that comes with a fan and room for your clothes. Right off this room is going to be the laundry room. It's actually 2 laundry rooms in this home. So this is going to be the laundry room that is on the first floor. Then you have another bedroom. This bedroom can sleep up to 2 people. And it actually has a private bathroom as well. It's on the first floor. So if you want to have someone that's going to be the adult supervision over the kids that's staying here, that's down there in the other room on the first floor, this will be the perfect room for you guys. So right here, this is just a lounge room. It has a refrigerator, a stove, a microwave. It has a game table that's actually here. And it leads you right out the door into all the activities that leads outside to the patio and pool area. So this is the heart of the house. The pool area is where we spent most of our days just out here relaxing, enjoying each other's company. You have the home comes with an outdoor grilling area. It has all your utensils and everything you need to do if you want to grill outside. It has a TV for you can sit outside and watch movies while you're just relaxing in the pool, just having a great day outside. This is a saltwater pool, so it is real nice for your skin, you guys, if you're allergic to chlorine. And it's also heated if you need to be heated if you come here during the winter months. Hey y'all, quick question. I had to just jump in here right quick. Did y'all like this video? Did y'all subscribe to this video? Did y'all ring my bell, baby? What you waiting on? I'm gonna wait. Look down there. Yeah, right there below. It should be a button down there. Turn it gray, another color. Just make sure you ring it. And you are notified every time that I drop a video, okay? Because y'all know I'm coming with some good cruise content. So, hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, another thing. Share me out, baby. Hottest thing popping these YouTube streets. This home came with a lot of games and activities to do. It also came with a mini golf pad. I just loved it. I got out there and tried to show off my little putt-putt skills. It also has Jenga games. It has a lot of board games that already came with the home. All you have to do is just make sure you keep them nice and clean and tie up for the next guest. At nighttime, this house is a whole complete vibe. You can actually change the lights of the colors in the water of the pool. That means you can switch up the vibe. You can sit out and relax and just chill. Or if you want to put it on a little turn up music, change the colors. This is great for everyone. Now moving right along, we have the kitchen, which is located on the second floor of the villa. The kitchen is ginormous, you guys. It is huge. This house has 4 refrigerators and 2 stoves and an oven. You guys, it was enough for our private chef to come out, lay all the food out and cook. They have plenty of seating. This is another great gathering space If you have a big family that's coming up, if you want to host a family reunion, just a family get together, a girls trip, a guys trip, bachelorette party, whatever your heart desires, this space right here is enough probably for a little small mini party. As I stated before, it sleeps 24 people, so I am sure that it can hold at least 75 to 100 people just in this room, in this area alone. Now let's move it right along. We're heading up to the third floor. This is the first bedroom on the third floor, and it sleeps 8 people. Yes, you guys, 8 people. It has 3 nice size twin bunk beds, and it also has a queen bed that can actually fit 2 people. It has its own private bathroom for everyone to shower. It doesn't have a tub, but it does have a nice standing shower. It also offers 3 sinks. And if you all know, like I know, that is great real estate space when it's a lot of people trying to get ready at the same exact time. Now, here's the second laundry room, and it is located on the third floor. So it has another washer and dryer. So you have a total of 2 washers and 2 dryers with this home. Now we're going to move along to the second bedroom that's on the third floor, and it sleeps 2 people. So this will be great for the adults who want their own private space and their own private bathroom. This bathroom is gorgeous, you guys. It has a stand-up shower, it has 2 sinks, and it also has a toilet area. Now come along and follow me out because this room also has its private access out to the balcony that's on the third floor. This house holds 4 floors, and it also has 4 balconies, so each floor has their own private balcony. And we are still on the third floor, and we're moving into the third bedroom, which sleeps 5 people. So you have 3 bunk beds in here, a TV, and you have another queen size bed. This bedroom also has its own private bathroom that has 2 sinks, a shower, a toilet, and a closet. Now, let me take you on up through the elevator. The elevator starts on the first floor, and I'm going to show you all how to use it. All you have to do is come in, close the door. You have to make sure the gate is closed. You can only press 1 floor at a time. So now we're going to move along up to the 4th floor. You guys, this is a massive suite. Just look at the pictures. Anyone would want to stay in this master suite. And guess what? This was my room. So I just love it. The shower heads, you have the waterfall shower heads, you have an area that you can actually sit down and bathe if you don't want to stand up in the shower. So this will be good also for someone if you have anyone with any disabilities or handicap areas that they may need. This is the suite for them. I was just in awe at all the decor. It just gave me that spa-like feeling. It also has a deep soaker tub where you can sit down and take you a nice bath. The room offers a king-size bed with plenty of storage and a TV. And on the 4th floor, right off from the elevators, you're going to have your gym or fitness workout room. The fitness room offers a treadmill along with a TV, so you won't get bored while you're running. It has weights, yoga mats. It's a nice size fitness room if you just want to get your workout on and you don't want to put on too many extra pounds with all the calories you're going to be eating while you're on vacation. The 4th floor also offers a second bathroom or a guest bathroom. We also have one more room that's on this floor, so this would be the bathroom that the guests on this floor would use. It's a small room, but it is nice and it is doable, and it can sleep one person in this room. Now, the star of the show is going to be the 4th floor balcony. This is the biggest balcony in the house. It is so nice, you guys. We come out here at nighttime. We just sit around. We'll chat. We'll play games. We'll have conversations. And did you see that view? Yes, the view of the ocean is absolutely gorgeous up here in the daytime or at night. But I want to thank you all for tuning in to this video. So if you have plans to stay in Miramar, Florida, or in the Destin area, make sure you check out this villa right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.